Okay, so here we go with part two. So what happened in part one is when I tried to show you how GoReact looks, it was couldn't figure out which camera to use because I was already using a camera for a Screencast-O-Matic, so GoReact was getting hung up. So I decided to just stop the video there and then pick it up as if I had done the recording. So I'll just show you what that looked like in GoReact, okay? So first of all, in GoReact, I went ahead and I signed in. So pretty straightforward. You've already got your login information and you're going to sign in. And once you sign in, sorry, I didn't realize I probably shouldn't have done this. You've probably seen a login page before. You're going to make sure you choose the right course. And then you're going to look at the assignment, and then you can start assignment. So when you start the assignment, like you saw in the previous video, you have two different choices. You can upload a video that you've already done, i.e. you use your cell phone perhaps, or you use a standalone camera, or even the camera that's on your computer. For instance, my iMac has this QuickTime video that works pretty slick, okay? So if you do upload it, make sure that you save your video as a 480p resolution. That's a low resolution, but really that's all GoReact broadcasts in, so it makes no sense to upload it as a high resolution video. If you're not sure what that looks like, let me see if I can show you that real quick. I'm not sure that I can do that quickly, but let's see if I can. For instance, in QuickTime, when you do it, you're going to go ahead and just do your recording, and then you're going to export as. And so that's where you would export as. After you've saved your recording, you're going to export as a 480 right here. Okay, so that's how you would do it in QuickTime. But again, you're probably going to find it much easier to just do it right here in GoReact, or possibly use your cell phone. And if you're using your cell phone and you use the app's going to put it into GoReact as well. Okay, so I've already chosen my title, and then I chose to record it. And once I recorded it, it was really easy to, I just finished and it was automatically there. So now that you've recorded your presentation, the second part of the assignment is to go back and make comments on other people's videos. And I wanted to show you how easy that is as well. So to do that, you just watch the video. And you make the comments.
Hello, school board.
Right in here.
Greg Cahoe. I live at 4750 Old Nenana Highway in Fairbanks, Alaska. I would like to comment on the
Okay,
school
so I'm going to write lighting is bad. Okay. Now, normally you would use constructive criticisms constructive comments in here rather than kind of destructive comments, but I'm just showing you how this works. So you might comment on the appropriateness of someone's attire, or whether they're looking at the camera, or whether they look nervous or poised or something like that. So as soon as you start typing, the video stops so that you get to compose your thoughts, and then you just hit return.
Of its homework policy.
And then you can add another comment.
This
and you can add
2 days ago. So I hope my comment.
And you can add. You can also. I guess that's all I wanted you to do, is to add some comments to other people's videos, so as you watch some of the other issues in education. Watch 2 or 3 others, make comments on those, and that'll be the end of the assignment. By the way I have the comments formatted is that you'll be able to see people who comment to you, but they won't be able to see other people's comments to you. And I will be able to see all the comments to everybody, and you'll be able to see my comments to you and other people's comments to you. So that's how I set that up in GoReact, and I hope you have a good time with this assignment. I'm looking forward to hearing your presentations.